So day 8, here's the bag. We can now, things aren't falling out anymore, so that's good. I think day 8 might be down the side. That's 11, 12. I think day 8's a bit flatter. There you go, day 8. Let's open it up. And you will see we've got another leaf colour with a big piece of felt and some really nice wool colours to go with it. So this is for more leaves for your wreath. So no panic. You've got plenty of time to complete this. You can, if you haven't finished Mr. Fox or Mr. Hare, you can get them done and then do these. And like I said, this is a gradual thing. You've got your leaf template. I showed you how to do them the other day. So you're going to do exactly the same, but with these colours. And these colours work really nicely with it. And again, you should be able to get, I think, at least the 12 to 15 out of this sheet. So do this when you can. You've got plenty of time. We're not going to put the wreath all together properly right until the last few days. So I didn't want you to be inundated with things to do. So there we go. That's day 8.